Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram experience more private, hiding likes and share counts is a great way to focus on your content without the pressure of numbers. Whether you want a cleaner feed or just a little more peace of mind, here's how you can do it with the latest Instagram update. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make these changes. Once you're in, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Like and Share Counts. Tap on it to open the options. Here, you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to hide like and share counts. Simply turn this toggle on, and Instagram will stop displaying the total number of likes and shares on posts and reels across your feed. With this setting enabled, you'll no longer see the like and share counts on other people's posts, and they won't see them on yours. Instead, you'll see phrases like liked by username and others, keeping the focus on the content rather than the numbers. If you ever change your mind, you can follow the same steps to turn the toggle off and bring back the counts. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy Instagram without the distraction of public engagement stats. It's quick, easy, and gives you more control over how you experience social media. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make your Instagram experience even better.